welcome back to L.J.C crafts. Today we will be making this cute little starfish that's really easy, and all you're going to need today is hook and colors of your choice. The colors I will be using today is this pink right here and this orange. So to start off, you're going to want to get the first color, which will be at the end right here, and you're just going to put it on your hook and twist it 3 times. Then you're going to want to get your next color, which for me is orange. And I'm just going to twist it on my 2 fingers like that, creating 2 loops. Get my hook, and then I'm just going to get the pink and slip them right on there. You should have something that looks like this. And you're just going to continue to do that with the next color, which for me is pink. Just like that. Now we're gonna do orange one again. There. Now you have one leg. You can either set this aside on something else, or you can keep it on your hook. And we're just gonna go ahead and make 5 of those. So this is 1. Now we need 4 more. So once you're all done, you should have something that looks like this. These are 5 legs on my hook. We're just gonna get another elastic. I'm using pink because the last color was used was orange. So I'm just gonna put the pink band on normally, not stretching it out into 2 or anything. And I'm just gonna put each leg on like so. Once all of our legs are on this elastic, we're gonna make a slip knot. So we're just gonna put that one on the hook, and we're gonna get the last elastic here and bring it right over that one. And we're just gonna pull on that right there. You should be able to let go of that now and just stretch it out. And there you go, your cute little starfish. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see us again, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure to turn on post notification bells so you're notified the next time we post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!